If you're living paycheck to paycheck, weighed down each month, making minimum payments on credit cards, student loans, car loans, or any other debt, it's time to minimize your monthly payments by $1,000, $2,000, or even $3,000 per month. Owner of the Home Loan Arranger, Jason M. Rudy, knows how to beat the bills. M, what is M? Mark? Matthew?
Stands for money.
Money.
Jason Money Rudy.
Jason Money Rudy. Yes, I never realized that
Michael.
was your
It's actually Michael.
We'll let Michael or Money. We'll do Money
we can use
too.
both today.
Okay. All right. Now this is, you always say this, take advantage of that equity in your home, right? You got to consolidate those bills. It's better for you in the long run.
Gina, yeah, absolutely. You know, there's a lot of Colorado homeowners out there living paycheck to paycheck. Wouldn't it be nice to have an extra $1,000, $2,000, maybe $3,000 a month?
Yes.
And Colorado is one of the hottest housing markets in the nation, which means homeowners more than likely have some equity to work with. Put that equity to work for you, consolidate some of that high interest credit card debt into one more manageable payment, saving $1,000, $2,000, maybe $3,000 a month.
Yeah, that's really nice, especially if that's something that works within your budget and your time frame. But you also are sort of considered, what, a boutique sort of mortgage lender?
I am a boutique mortgage lender.
Why is that an advantage?
Well, I'm the only loan officer that works for my company. So when you work with the Home Loan Arranger, you're always going to work with me.
Okay.
With that, you're going to get my 25 plus years experience in the mortgage business. And Gina, what that means is I know how to get loans closed.
Yes, you do. You've been doing this for a while.
I've been doing it a while.
Experience makes a big load of difference. 303-862-4742. You just have to use that number. Call it now. Give Jason a call because you really can help people out, especially with that amount of experience.
Yes.
So when you talk about this, that experience even translates into, 5280. You're in the magazine this month.
Yes.
I saw you in there.
Yes, very nice. And I think I'm wearing the same suit.
Are you wearing that?
Yes.
You're wearing your purple houndstooth
wearing
thing
the
going on?
5280 suit today.
I like
Absolutely.
it. Well, that's actually, it's, we were kidding, but that's a big deal too. You're being shown as being one of the top in your field.
Absolutely. 5-star mortgage lender. What that means is you can expect when you work with my company to get a 5-star experience. Would you rather stay at a 2-star motel or a 5-star resort?
Yeah, I like 5-star resorts
absolutely.
myself. There you go.
When somebody wants to refinance or they're purchasing a home, they want to work with somebody who knows what they're doing. They want to be treated, with respect, and they want somebody who can get their deal closed on time.
Well, especially when it comes to something as personal as a home,
Absolutely.
Right? Because that's your big pride and joy. You talk about specializing in A, paper transactions, and B, paper transactions.
Yes.
Tell the difference.
Well, there's a lot of A paper out there, which means your credit scores are probably over 680 or 700. But then there's a group of people out there that might have some mortgage lates or some collections, judgments, bankruptcies, foreclosures. I focus on the subprime paper, Alt-A paper. I have products available for those homeowners. Call me today. Let's put your equity to work for you.
Here's that number again, 303-862-4742. That's the number to call Jason. You're the first, you say the first payment, if you were to work with you today, would not be due till December 1st?
Isn't that amazing?
That's a long ways away.
Take a couple months off of a mortgage payment. Get yourself positioned for Christmas, the holidays are right around the corner. And maybe save $1,000, $2,000, maybe $3,000 a month by consolidating debt.
So this cash out refinance, when you talk about, let's say if someone wants to do that, especially coming up with the holidays, they want to refinance, maybe take some money out, they have to start all over with like a new 30-year loan?
That's a really good question. The answer is no. We can customize the loan term, Gina. So if you wanted to maybe amortize over 30, 25, 20, 15, or 10-year options, we have those available. Let's say you have 23 years left on your current amortization. We could actually refinance your loan, start you over on 23 years, or whatever you have left in your current amortization. We can customize that loan term.
Well, that's good to know too, because a lot of people don't want to lose that. They don't want to. They've put some
hard
time and energy into that. They don't want to start all over again.
Paid a ton of interest. Why start over on 30? I've already paid 7 years, Jason. Yep.
I think another thing people look at when they think about doing this process is that this is just going to take forever. I don't have the time. I'm working long hours. I've got a busy family. Putting in this time to even give you all the paperwork is just too much for me. What do you say to those people?
Well, that's why you want to work with somebody who knows what they're doing. With my 25 years experience, we can close a loan as soon as 10 business days, Gina. I could have your loan closed by the first week of October, end of the first week of October. Skip 2 months, first payment December 1st. It's amazing.
That is the way to go.
Yeah.
I think, again, that experience comes in handy.
I would agree.
So you have this service, you have the experience. What about interest rates? I mean, that's another thing that's keeping a lot of people a little nervous these days.
Yeah, you know, interest rates are on the rise, but they're still really, really low. Interest rates are still low. You got to take advantage of those interest rates today. More than likely, it looks or it appears as if they're going to continue to move up. So you got to make some action and call today.
So we know you work with refinance transactions. We've talked about that. What about, you know, just the purchase loans themselves?
So I do specialize in purchase transactions as well. So if there's a realtor out there and I can help you with some of your clients, please call me and keep me in mind. But yes, I do focus on purchase transactions. I can close a loan as soon as 10 days. Got to give me a buzz.
Way to go. Yeah. Absolutely. Refinance now so you can beat the bills. Visit thehomeloanarranger.com or go ahead and call the number 303-862-4742 and request Jason to give you a call to discuss your options. Close within 10 days, like he said, and your first mortgage payment isn't due until December 1st. Once again, call 303-862-4742. Don't put your loan in danger. Call the Home Loan Arranger. They paid for today's spot.